So hello everyone, I'm Nafri Singh and in this video I'm presenting my project pitch on embedded system and development. It's a task 7.1 Pchd. The problem we face in our daily life, like I have taken a scenario of particular situation in which I have taken care of the plants, the garden plants that we grow. The problem with the problem we face with the garden plants, like uh, with the improper monitoring, the plant get didn't get enough water supply or mineral content like the fertilizers to grow properly. So they usually dried up or lack with the monitoring system. So as we all students go for the universities and the older ones goes for job, so they didn't get enough time for their garden plants to take care. So they in the end they usually get dried up. So in the previous semester I have developed a scenario by creating a system which can detect the soil moisture content of the soil, and I have shown that in a monitor, by just simply using a soil moisture sensor. And when the reading get below to some threshold, I have provided a water supply system that will water the plant simultaneously when the command get processed. And along with that I have also installed a DHT22 DHT22 sensor which will detect the temperature and the humidity around the plant. So I have analyzed this in the different situations, like in the daytime, in the middle afternoon, and in the night time, by placing the plant into different conditions or different places. So now I want to improve this previous project by simply using Arduino Nano 33 IoT along with the Raspberry Pi to improve its connectivity and to have more Internet of Things in my project. So basically it's going to be two or more plants, as in the previous one I was using only and I was analyzing only one plant. So in this I'm going to be using multi-plant system. So the main sensors I'm introducing in this are the light sensors, which will detect the sunlight intensity. Like in the daytime it will show that the temperature, like the in the daytime it will show that the sunlight is getting too much to the plant, or in the nighttime it's getting too much cold or no sunlight. So that SMS will be sent to my smartphone by using a IFTTT system. And along with that I will also detect the soil moisture. uh, Along with that I will also detect the mineral content of the soil, like using the NPK sensor and another, which will usually going to detect the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium content, mineral content, which is required for the plant growth rate. So the overview of my project will be a greenhouse surveillance and control system, which will detect the small moisture content, temperature, light intensity around the plant, which will help to send the SMS to the user via IFTTT software. Along with that, an NPK sensor to check the mineral content of the soil, like I have told you before. So the main hardware I am going to use in this are the Arduino Nano 33 IoT, Raspberry Pi, capitative sensor, a relay and water pump for the watering of the plant, DHT22 for detecting the temperature, light sensor, and an NPK sensor. So this is going to be the basic block diagram where I'm going to use Arduino Nano, Raspberry Pi, and interconnecting communication between these two. And all the system and other sensors are going to be work along with that. The relay module, water pump, DHT, light sensor, and NPK sensor. Any questions or suggestions are welcomed, and you can give them in the comment box in the comment section. So, thank you.